Gmail app notification not showing for new emails. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how you guys can quickly fix the problem where you can't see your new emails come up. So simply open up the settings on your Android phone, and then after that from over here type in the search bar applications. If you don't have a search bar, simply search for the applications over here manually. So scroll down and see where you can see your apps, and then after that from over here simply find Gmail. So I'm gonna find Gmail over here. So Gmail's gonna be over here somewhere. So over here I have Gmail, and then once I click on Gmail, now click on notifications. So there's a good chance that your notifications are blocked if you can't see new email notifications. Simply turn on these notifications, and you guys can also choose if you want these notifications to be delivered with sound and vibration, or if you just want them to be delivered quietly. You guys can choose any one of these two options. You guys can even have various different categories for these notifications. For example, you guys can even have various different categories for these notifications. So that is how you guys can quickly fix this particular problem. This only takes a minute, but this is gonna fix the problem where you can't see new notifications for your Gmail emails. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Take care. Till next time, goodbye.